Hello students. In this video I will continue the drama Tughlaq, scene 2. In this scene we observe how serious is Tughlaq in dealing with difficult situations. This scene takes place at Tughlaq's private chamber. He is playing chess. Almost in most of the scenes, Tughlaq is found being passionately engaged in chess game. So he is not just playing game. He is thinking how to manage with the time and things, and how to overcome the difficulties. See, he is playing alone. There is no competent here against him, and he is alone. He is playing chess, and his stepmother enters. His stepmother reprimands him for not initiating action to protect himself from the anticipated attack of Ainul Mulk on his sultanate, and playing chess instead. See, when she comes and she meets Tughlaq, she complains. He is not worried about the attack. That is, Ainul Mulk is marching towards Delhi. He has the army of 30,000 soldiers, and Muhammad Nazib, the politician, and Ziauddin Barani, the historian, two important acquaintances of Sultan, they were present there. They give ideas to tackle the situation. Ainul Mulk is his childhood friend, his chess partner. Both of them are good chess players. Here, Tughlaq had appointed Ainul Mulk as a governor to Deccan, but Ainul Mulk is not ready to move there. Instead, he came to attack Tughlaq with 30,000 soldiers, and the reason is that it was propagated that Tughlaq has murdered his father and brother while at prayer, and he has resumed this throne. So he wanted to get rid of him by defeating, and he wanted to acquire the throne of Delhi. After that, we see how Tughlaq, he defeats Ainul Mulk and his another enemy, Sheikh Imamuddin, with a single stroke. In the scene, stepmother is worried because a politician like Nazib, he is destroying his son with his destructive political ideas. So here Barani and Nazib, they have different perspectives on the same issue, and therefore they are representing conflicting points of the view on political matters. In the scene 2, Najib is national, and while Barani is humanistic. Stepmother stands in acquaintance with Barani and not with Najib. In the later scenes, we find stepmother, she poisoned Najib because of this fellow has destructive ideas, and with his destructive ideas, his son is get thwarted. So she decides to kill him, and Tughlaq also, when he came to know that his mother is a murderer, he punishes her like anything. He asks the servants to put her in prison, and the next morning she was pelted with stones. Najib's job is to contrive political strategies for Tughlaq. So Tughlaq is very much acquainted with Najib, and when Najib was killed, Tughlaq was disturbed. Tughlaq assassinated his own father and brother to realize his political ambition, and this makes his life insecure. So, therefore, his stepmother orders Bharani not to let Tughlaq to engage with some of advisors. So, this is the scene. In the scene, we get the information that how Tughlaq plans to defeat Ainul Mulk and Sheikh Imamuddin, both the enemies, how to ward off the enemies, and stepmother's concern for her son, and her opinion on both historian and a politician. What stepmother thinks of Bharani and what she thinks of Najib is found here. So we can understand different characters here. So this scene is a little bit short duration. It has short duration, but here we can rectify some qualities of Tughlaq. That is how shrewd and how sportive he is. Even though he is very cunning, he is sportive at serious situations, and he manages with the things. And though he knows that his mother is aware that the son has killed her husband, he simply talks and he simply hides the facts. So these are the things that you understand in scene 2. Thank you.